right. And after and Atwachi and Sado, a fantastic morning. Badwam Muna Ugusu Eshe, Mreso say na me who send me the Musi, and I am Rena Society. I could even some 12 so say Badwam Agokansie, some other toss to the Fata South in a Chenikufono Paya, yet a brewo. Na Shannon Somame, 50 wiki mo ya TSC mu ya diken bosomo sikusi kasa. Yes, watching I drop a sipai nyasam K20. Ya na do one gym 5 Ghana city na odo ho gym ko akra one ticket be a 5 city, one ticket be a 5 20 to go more. Yeah, to be about 3 2 3 3 2 3 2 3 2. Tiana watro ibisa sa here number of tickets no the oba tro no ba ku be a 5 cities. So, to go ana akotro is the number of tickets no akotro. Yeah. So we try 20 Ghana. That be number of 20 there, 20 times 5 4. Yeah, careful. Na a track a cragum it is careful go Botomo, Franco Train Enterprise, phone Papa Fee, where nay, or the CCTV camera, TV, free, Genumone, the Akana Bass also bra, never GB, Sansa air for pie, your air conditioner, and Yasam Ketwakra, Papa, a Chay, Yadian, and Himosonoson in Subia, Franco. Trading enterprise for the American for and the show and they are not pay. Bernard Paddy will play a producer. Kedwaran Kasani Erica City, where the Besha City Fianama Mainshaw and Sana Yabafi. England, Menoka say 12 points and Liverpool Chimwa Arsenal go so pre what a nice happen so Costro and Swamfa. Mikel Arteta, or no manager at Arsenal or then someone to just say Sabi senior year and even who Charlie still Vim Hewale. Charlie. Right, still live on Adom TV. Young Twaso na Yemre Fime head the so the senior national soccer team, the Black Stars of Ghana, and 9 players and a share a campaign. I say first training session at a crash sports stadium. Now could be man and some ketwakra. Now just the air training more as a feed that game against Chad. Ghana bet me a boy man be biatimi akoye and so. Bernard Padibuchi, Eddie Storinachi.
Ayedibe PMO Accra Sports Stadium ahead of the big game Ibebaso on the 21st of March 2025. Ghana Black Stars and Chad FIFA World Cup qualifier. After say failure, somebody attention in Yabe PMO World Cup qualifiers so. Na Nyankopon Nadama Yensa Aka, the newly appointed Director General Edman National Sports Authority. Ken Yampo for Ankara or Ha Yenaba Bonkomo and Cecia El Coso or Accra Sports Stadium ahead of the big game no Yemisano Oba office send out to Chiano ACTA Nempo or went to Chia El Coso in terms of Cecia no Yang and Obeka Ediafa.
Bob Mekase shocking maybe it's an understatement. You do your best. If your best is not enough, at least you try your best. But from what I'm seeing from electronics, when I say electronics, from let's say scoreboard, floodlights, the digital areas, we have challenges from drainage, plumbing. We have challenges. At least the grass, your stability, in the condition that it's in now, it should even improve by match day. Perfect for the conditions of the game. But literally every facet at the stadium, the infrastructure has been left to nature or left to rot or whatever it is. And it is unfortunate because edifice it's a very expensive structure. So with such a structure, there should also be structures and, implementation of maintenance and a consistent record of facilities now, but at the moment we don't have that, and unfortunately we need time. We need to prepare all these before the Black Stars train. And Sunday about match also on Friday, so there's a lot of work to be done. We don't want to focus on the problems. We are committed to the solutions. Thankfully, Honourable Sports and Recreation Minister, Honourable Kofi Idi Adams, has given us total support, and we've even had good support from Jubilee, where the operations director Stan Dugbe has been here to see what's happening. So everybody's put their hands on deck to ensure whatever challenges we have, we're able to overcome them for the game on.
Right, and so we're the new National Sports Authority boss. Right, Yampo for Ankara, and watch the new things about or say, and then maybe to Masana Bibia Swatimi Akoye or Honomo, na Akopimwa or Pania or non a Kasama, the National Sports Authority, all right, Charles Amofa, and so and in some clear to HMO say before that game against Chad on Friday. ebedi wo na the Accra Sports Stadium ay ready a yebetimi asi akan wo hono racha samofa ensem ne
yen ejuma eye Ghana for their share and say yen facilities nyina ye stadia ahoro e wo Ghana ha yen hwe so no ni nyina aye krado be ye na wotwe miensani na ye start eye nhihye wo ba han ma wo hwe wo nsani fa so a obun say ye pitch no eye green grass technology any NSC staff omonsa wo ho anopa ewia enwumre omoye de frɛ no fertilization watering raking sene be ya eye memfanse grass no ebe luku good and say be good for football beyond no ba obon say reserve bench no inkonwa wo nyina na ya sesa no up to standard yetimi di si akan ewo CAF and say eye any World Cup sanction match Mr. Yaw Apofo Ankra ene ni mpenifo omode eye de friend no artisan facility managers aba ohwe ye dressing room ye wona carpets walls tiles ni bibia washing basin wo nyina ya sesa ni nyina oba eye sitting area na omafa eye extra hands ya paper ya wohuru ha nyina washrooms ni nyina ma painti ho no ma sesa washing bowls ni de wo ho nyina metimi aka sisu dia se eye Friday 7 p.m. obi bia obeba Accra Sports Stadium obi say eye sports stadium anasa Accra Sports Stadium aye krado.
Right, and so I know the Racha some forecast about the National Sports Authority HDM say stadium not be ready na if that game against Chad to me at the prim so na bibia to me akoye e wo hono Franco Training Enterprise this akwankwan in Samuel Brown na kopi metema Kumasi Asante Kotoko womo so akache yen hwede yekoso no Prosperity Ogum one head coach the team no den Samotuga say na no mutimi call train draw wo last game wo Ensenche Sports Complex no amjiri se beto aso sa wa chiremu say fise Kwame Poku so be kan team no no aboa pa. Right, all right, Prosperity Ogum, Ninsama, what do you do? So, and then be how second day, the camp of the Black Stars, Nebisiako, set players are, or Mobabeka, Black Stars team, only at Chesene, and also on some ACT and Rakopimo training girls, Nanya some Ketuakra, head coach, Coach Tuado, and then the deputies, no more boy, Mapa, her second Biaso Kana, you bet to me, Aquacoji Dean, na Chad de. Charity and to me and show one, I guess I say, boys name apa. But charity, I'm ashable as a BBA to me a koye near the idea. Now me share them amount the list of players are what me be pimu a show no more. And I say poker and ra. Menema Ekoso the Accra Sports Stadium nemo nti hwere so ma me say 9 aba ye hwese ne mo no aso ba kan na bibia timi akoye enso ho no Franco Training Enterprise this year konkon no pay ya den sam no ebro Franco phones papa fie ni ho sabre smart TVs from 32 inch to 55 inches ejina so den na say o ma onsa kan bi so na tabletop fridges enso so omode aba Franco air conditioners no so papa eche I for yen weather condition no tenu bi na say auto na bibia so etimi ekoye ede emma o sika ni ho to auto anu ato papa preko eno na me che o say o ma Saka Franco one more air conditioners maybe CCTV cameras no so papa the number see and we need the official number say the ma Franco yes into patrol enu 024 642 2338 024 642 2338 and 055 593 9311 055 593 9311. We any official numbers now on website francotrain.com 40% discount na kwambia so no mo the amount simple cra ti fa ho jim e ho na so to bibia phone de o fanchen a wato ho agu na smart TV tabletop fridges air conditioners na so for by before wato ho agu Franco de no na eye papa na e be nyina so na ye de si Bernard Paddy bo twa me producer. And then Okopimo Koforidua, the biggest curtains shop in Koforidua, Eastern Region in Ghana. A CEO, Madame Gifty, a free. Madame Gifty, a birthday. Mommy, yes, me make a siapa. Happy birthday going out to Yamisha on Tonkwan and my. I want service idea. Yaminya Monchicho so and my and then a birthday and Yakasepa. More years to come in good health and prosperity. Mama Gifty a free aqua fantastic morning. Adom packetings na obi ani go fodu ade adwen packetings fantastic. Ana nankasa kan kejwa no Erica see du body. Ye da pomudi won sem beto aso wi ade aka enso aba koso hebedwam.